everyone, today we have another theme, and the theme today is native birds of New Zealand, or just birds of New Zealand. In the background we have a book, two cushions and two birds. So we're going to start with a warm up and we're going to do some toe touches. So we can touch our toes, and on this hand is going to go to one toe, and it might feel a little bit stinging at the back of your leg. Okay, next one is you can do this standing up or sitting down. So we're doing it standing up, and it's called a washing machine. So it's
The
like
washing machine.
round in a circle with clothes in our belly, and we're going around with the washing machine.
This is a good activity for your back and your waist to start engaging those muscles.
So we're going to sit down and do some butterflies first. So we're going to imagine that we are some butterflies, and we're holding on to these two bits and flutter.
Try to keep your back straight when you're doing it. Yeah, and then gently you're flying your butterfly. Are you testing the air?
Wait, what are you doing? You want to say something? Okay. Now lunges. So backwards with one leg, forward, and up with the other one. Now we're going to swap. Backwards with this leg, and forward with that leg. Swapping.
Good job, making sure that your arms help you to keep your balance.
Now we're going to do leg swing. So if you want, you can hold onto a chair or a bench or a wall and just swing your legs. You do it with the leg that's facing the wall or the chair or the bank. So swap legs, Bobby.
Yep.
Ready to swap your leg? One that's facing, and then when the whistle blows, we'll go to the opposite side and then swing opposite leg. Okay, now you two go on that bench
Okay.
and hold on to the wall.
Oh, now we're going to the other leg. Right.
The one that's facing that one. The one
Okay.
that's facing the bench.
Okay, so it's near to the bench.
Yeah.
Good job. Wow, this is a good one. Just getting your legs ready for all the squats and activities that we do. Running.
Maybe push-ups.
Push-ups as well.
Some star jump or jumping jacks. You might call them different, like your bubble freedom. Oh, snatch you.
Yes, stop jumps, back with your bubble where you no, it's out there. Thank you. So it's really important if you work with someone else for you to start.
Try not to hit them.
Yep, exactly. Stay far apart so you don't hurt each other. Good job. Oh yeah. We got an owl. Which next one?
Okay, next one is air skipping rope. So we're going to go
Oh,
air skipping.
yes.
We've got a skipping rope and we're jumping over it.
So we're thinking that we're jumping on a rope. I can do a little bit quicker.
If you can't move your hands that fast, they don't. So knees up. So we're going to march with our knees up. Your heart's probably beating really fast from that air skipping rope or jump rope.
And that is really good. That means that your heart is pumping blood to your muscles and getting your muscles nice and warm and ready for the activity.
Mine is.
And my one as well.
So the last but not least, I like to say, is we're going to do some running on the spot.
Running in the spot.
If you don't want to, you could just do some jogging.
Ooh. Yeah, running.
Turbo button!
Turbo button.
Turbo button!
Salome. Okay. Now we're gonna start with the native bird. So everybody in your bubbles, please. So the first one is the tui. Okay, the tui is it's quite common. We see around. It's a protected, really territorial bird and protect the trees and the fruits. And he fight. Okay, anyone coming in. So we're gonna fight. I'm gonna be flying and fighting and kicking just to protect the tree. Let's go. Kicking, kicking. Make sure you're flying and kick. You can do this. Walking. Quick. Yes. Flying and protecting your trees. No one is coming to your trees. Oh, quick. Oh, there's quite a few of them coming to eat the fruit from your tree. Keep going. Those knees up. Yeah, knees up. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Good job. Salome, your turn.
Okay, some kiwi. This is one of my favourite native birds in New Zealand. The kiwi is huge. So,
we're gonna walk slow like the kiwis. So the kiwis, they walk slow, tapping the ground to stick to the birds. We're gonna walk slow. Okay? And then when we get to the top, we're gonna walk back again. So walking slow. Let's go everybody, walking forward slow. And then we go back like the kiwi does. The kiwi can't fly, so that's why he can't fly, so that's why he needs to walk along the grass. Frida, go to your bubble. You're too close to us. Yes. Aha. And back again. And again. Yes. Good job. Excellent. That was the kiwi. Oh, now you can eat it. This bird found some fruit. Now we go with the kakapo. The kakapo is another flightless bird. It is a parrot, and he likes to climb trees. Okay, to climb trees. So we're gonna start climbing. Okay, it's the kakapo. So we're gonna start making sure the kakapo climbs trees, and we're gonna start climbing. There, climbing trees, everyone. Let's go. We climb trees like the kakapo. Yes, they are really quick climbing trees. Ooh, and this is the kakapo getting up on a tree. Ooh. Yes, how quick can we go? How quick can we go? Yeah, up the tree. Let's go. Let's reach high. Come on, Salome. High, high, higher, higher. Ooh, 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 ooh. On you, Salome.
Fantail. They call it fantail because I've got a fan as a tail. So the fantail is a
territorial bird,
and he's gonna chase away the other birds. So you can run on the spot.
We're gonna be running on the spot when the clock starts. Okay, so they're really territorial. Okay, ready? Go. Yes. Ooh. So they're chasing other birds. Come on, fantails. You're running. You're chasing other birds away. Yes. How quick can you do it? Let's go. Let's go, Salome.
This is how quick I can do it.
Okay.
This is how slow I can do it.
Guys, I'm very good fantail. Frida, how quick are you? Oh.
Do it slowly, Frida.
Very good. 3, 2, 1. Go. Good job. Now, wow, take a deep breath. That's a good job. Now, the next one is the saddleback. Okay, this is another bird that is not a good flyer. Okay, so what it does, it jumps from branch to branch. Okay, so we're gonna start jumping. Ready at the back? My saddlebacks. We're gonna start jumping.
At the back. So
Ready? Ready? Frida, let's go jumping. Because they jump. Yes, they jump from side to side. Yes, and then forwards, backwards. They're just trying to get from branch to branch. Ooh, jumping. Yes, jumping, jumping. Let's go, jumping. Everybody jumping. Big jumps sideways, forward. Excellent. Yes. Ooh. Good job, Saddleback. Salome, do it. I do it. Do you want me to do it? Okay.
So,
The Kia parrot
Kia
now.
parrot. I love parrots. So, we've got a parrot at the back actually.
Oh, digging for
digging
food.
for food.
Yes, and then we're gonna start throwing it.
Throwing it to its nest.
Throw. Throw. Ready? So we're gonna start in 2, 1. Let's go. Dig, throw. Dig, throw. Dig, throw. We're digging. We're digging. We could be digging to do our own nest or digging for food. Oh yes. Make sure that you bend your knees. Bend your knees and go down. Make sure your heels always touching the ground. Always touching the ground, your heels. Okay, ooh, this is a big hole. The one we're digging. Oh yeah. Thank you, parrot. That was quite a good one.
Stop making that noise.
Whew. Now, we have parrot. Are we ready? Because we need to listen for the next one, because the next one is a common bird everywhere. It's the moorpork. Okay? So they are like an owl, and they can rotate their head 180 degrees. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna sit in our bottoms, guys. Sit on your bottoms, and we're gonna turn. Okay? Make sure your legs are up, or you can do it on the ground and turn. Okay? Let's go. That is the owl. Thank you, Frida. Let's go. Rotating your head. You can rotate it. You're an owl. 180 degrees. Whoa. This lifting your legs and rotating is better. But if you can do it with your feet down, it's equally good. Keep going. Oh. Now we have time for a break. Have a quick drink. Just make sure that everyone gets some water. Okay? We're doing a good job out here. We're sweating. We need to hydrate. Okay? The birds in New Zealand are amazing, and that is why we need to look after them. In here we have different colors, different shapes, different sounds, and that is the beauty of this country. So have some water, guys. Yeah. That is a good sip of water. So, now we go. The next one is an extincted bird that, Salome, when the whistle goes, you're gonna introduce, okay?
It's an extinct bird that we had long ago in New Zealand.
Exactly. Ready?
So, the extinct bird that we're going to do right now is called a moa. You might know it, because they are probably in stories, and they are real, I'm telling you. So the moa is extinct.
He used to be 2 meters high and fully stretch 360 meters high. So we're gonna go
like dinosaurs
into squat, and then to reach for food, we're gonna stand. So squat and stand. Okay, ready? Let's go.
Like
Make sure your heels are on the ground and your feet are shoulder width, okay? So squat and stand to reach up there. Squat and stand. Yeah, you don't have to jump, you just have to stretch. Stretch. Make sure your heels on the ground all the time. Your back is straight. Oh, we are more. Yes.
Almost touch this.
3 meters. We need to be 3. Oh,
You can almost
good job.
touch the road.
Now we got the yellow-eyed penguin. This is a penguin that likes and loves to be on the ground, but even more on the water. So we're gonna do how he does when he gets onto the water. Okay? So you need to make sure that you get the 3 steps. So it's gonna be 1 down, 2, 3, and up. You can stand or jump. Okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. Or 1, 2, 3, up. This is as good as 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. Good job. like a duck. Yes, Frida. So yeah, let's come here at the back. So we're gonna crunch it. When the whistle goes, we're gonna start walking, okay? 90 degrees. I'm gonna start walking like a duck. Okay, all the way to the end, and then we shuffle back, okay? With ducks. Now, ready? Let's go. Oh, walking duck, yeah. Let's go. Oh, shuffle back. Good job. Let's go. Good. Yeah, make sure those knees are bended. What happened with my duck? Let's go. Nice and low. Nice and low. Ooh. Let's go quick. Yes. If you can make the noise, even better and better. Ooh. Good one. Now, we go with the New Zealand falcon, okay? This falcon loves to do dive bombs, okay? And that is to scare any intruders that goes into his territory. So we're gonna start dive bombing, okay? So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna be flying, and then we're gonna dive bomb, whoo, and dive bomb, and then up again and dive bomb again. Ready? Go! Dive bomb, and then up again, dive bomb, and then up again, dive bomb, up, dive bomb, up, dive bomb, up. Let's go. Up, down. Those wings. Yeah. Excellent up there. Yeah. Very good. Make sure your heels are on the ground all the time when you go down. Oh, good. Now, you're the next, Salome. Oh.
So, a red-crowned parakeet. And I love parrots. And parakeets are a type of parrot. So they're looking for food underground. And so we're gonna just run. And when I say jump, we're gonna jump! And when I say duck, we're gonna duck.
Okay.
Quack, quack, quack.
Ready? Let's go. We're running. We're looking for food, and the predators are coming. Let's go.
Predators.
Predators.
Jump!
Ooh, ooh.
Duck!
Whoa.
Duck!
Whoa.
Jump! Jump!
Ooh. Ooh.
Duck!
Duck. Ooh.
Duck!
Duck. Mm.
Jump!
Jump. Ooh. Keep running. Oh. This one.
Jump!
Jump. Ooh.
Duck!
Duck. Ooh. Wow. Good job, my red-crowned parakeet. Now we go with the albatross. The albatross, they live around the water, but they are very, very good to fly using low energy because they use the wind from the waves and they barely flap their wings. So we're gonna go on the ground and we're gonna try to fly. There, fly, fly. So they barely use their wings. If you need to use the wings, you can rest and then you can go up again, legs, we're flying, yes, up, flying, higher, how high can you do it? 10 seconds to go, my albatross, yes, higher, good job, excellent out there, keep going, oh yeah, Ooh. Wow, well done albatross, excellent. Now we go on the swan harrier.
Swan harrier. It's a bird of prey.
Yes.
And it's the same one that was.
Is the one flying that we saw, flying and making sure that you fly in a nice way. So you're gonna step to one side on one leg, and with the opposite arm, you're gonna touch your foot, and then on the other side. Ready? Let's go. Opposite arm, yes. Good job. Excellent. Making sure your knee doesn't wobble, guys. So, or you can just walk and go down, okay? Walk, or you can do a little jump. Right? There. Excellent. Keep going. Swan harrier. Let's go from one side to the other. Yes, on one leg, Salome. Touch your toes. Salome, touch your toes. Excellent. Yeah. Wow. That was excellent. This was a little journey through all the New Zealand birds Salome, give me high five. Excellent job. Now, from now on, every time we go outside, we're gonna keep an eye, okay? And look, and better, look for, but look after these beautiful animals that we have in our country, okay? So, make sure you tune up for the next video. In New Zealand, the lockdown is over from Friday. It will be, from tomorrow it will be over. So let's make sure that you keep up with the videos. We're gonna start posting videos every now and again. And thank you very much, everyone. Thank you very much, Carla, who is tuning up now, Marcela, Mapis, everyone who has been supporting us, Matthias, everyone who's been showing and sending us your videos, your emails, all your communication has been much appreciated. Keep on tune. Don't forget the YouTube channel, okay? Kiwi Fit Start. Look it up on YouTube and we will have all the things that we've done in this time. Keep up that activity. Make sure that you keep tuning up because more and more videos will come and we'll keep produced, okay? Thank you very much, guys, and see you next time, Salome.
Bye.